I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics fast. Open your file manager and navigate to the target folder so you see its path. Once done, check your account permissions. You need read and write to use the folder. If another program has a lock, close that app or reboot to clear handles. Make sure the drive is mounted and has free space. These immediate checks remove common blocks and prepare you for the permission and ownership fixes next. Now you repair access. If on Windows, open Property Security and edit permissions for your user. Make sure to check Replace Child Permissions when needed. If on Linux or Mac OS, run sudo chown yoruser, yourgroup/path and sudo chmod 775/path to permit access. Adjust mode as required. Once changed, verify inheritance so child files inherit the new rules. If access is finished by forcing the environment to refresh, restart the file manager or reboot your system so cached ACLs clear and changes take effect. Then test access by creating, renaming, and deleting a small file in the folder. Successful operations confirm the fix. If problems persist, inspect antivirus quarantine, network share policies, or domain group policies that may override local settings. One key tip: temporarily disable security software or disconnect network shares to isolate whether external policies prevent folder use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.